Hello everyone, my name is Nicole Sobolet. I'm here to present my venture pitch for my final for my entrepreneurship class. So my idea is a all-inclusive horse boarding facility right here in Naples, Florida, offering 25 acres of grassy long pastures for our horses in a super friendly environment. Let's start. Okay, the problem. The problem here in Florida, Naples especially, is that we have unaffordable boarding prices, not enough space for the horses, and super unfriendly environment. For unaffordable boarding prices, usually pricing should be around, let's say, $400, $500 a month. The problem I see here is that people are overcharging. I know the market's very high for the Naples area, but charging very high makes it impossible for people who are low income to pay for these prices, who have a hobby that's very expensive apart from boarding. So my average price to offer is to be around 600, including all amenities, all feed, all care is included, as well as free lessons twice a month for all of our boarders. Not enough space. Naples is becoming a very, let's say, city like Miami, so space is important for a horse to live on. It's usually for 1 acre, two are allowed only here in Collier County. Um, so in Naples, it's kind of hard unless you go to the Golden States or far out to Fort Myers. You're not really gonna find a local barn that has enough space for your horses to run freely and eat as much as they can. And for unfriendly environment, okay, so many of my experiences at a barn were super unfriendly because people are usually up stuck and they only care about the money, which is sadly not what I look for. As well, people are not interested in learning more about you or your horse or anything else. The solution, of course, affordable pricing is my plan to give to everyone who's interested in having a horse at my facility. My price will be firm at 600 per month. We will only add fees if it's necessary at the most, like a horse standing, needing help to stand for a farrier, which does the hooves, or vet to come and check them up. 600 is the max and the most affordable I can do for anyone who stays at our barn. Second one is gonna be a friendly environment. Friendly, of course, we're gonna have a lot of barbecues outside the barn, of course. We want you to feel like you're family to us, not just competing for horse shows and stuff like that. We want you to feel like family at our place. And of course, 25 acres long grassy pastures for your horses. You want them to roam like they're in the wild, but not too much. Here's some pictures that what looked like the pastures and some of the horses, and of course the money sign. Everyone wants to know what the money sign is for. So my underlying magic technology is to offer free lessons for the horses that are boarded twice a month. Clinics are offered throughout the month by many professionals in the industry. We will have all kinds of clinics that are offered by eventing, jumping classes, dressage, vaulting, and horsemanship. So there are a broad amount of classes to learn about. There will be offered a small fee so we can pay off the instructors and whoever comes from out of state to present the clinic, and a free entry of a horse show at our property. We plan to host a lot of horse shows at our facility once we have a covered arena. So let's say hope so. Here's the horse shows, what it would look like, and the clinics, and then our lessons for the month for our boarders. Competition. We have local boarding barns that are charging lower and do not have enough space for the horses. We have local barns that offer all these amenities for a lower price, and they are not as much as let's say into the horse industry. It's all about the money. So I want to offer something that we don't have to necessarily look at the money. We have to look at it as a family hobby or a family event. Like you come to have fun, affordable, and able to enjoy your horses in a free drama life. Protections, and projections and milestones. That's a wrong typo. We hope to be open by January 2021. We hope to have an indoor riding arena that we look on the next slide. And we hope to have our 25 acres of pastures growing grass hopefully by next year. They are currently all sandy, but they will be fertilized, pot soil and seeds, and hopefully we will have grass in a few years. One or two. And this is how our horse arena covered will look like. It will have plenty of space, and our pastures are gonna look exactly like this. Our status and timeline. So we hope to be open by January 2021 actually. The barn is being built currently. We have cleared almost 5 acres in the past 3 years. Note, this is an idea that we had for the past 3 years. So it's been coming a long way. So the barn is being built. The stalls are where the horses rest at night. They're being currently shipped from Virginia, and we hope to have them by the end of June because they're custom made. And this will be a 5-stall barn with a tack room. We hope to have wash racks so you can wash your horses, as well a watch and a relaxing area. Summary and call to action. We are looking for a mentor that has experience in the horse industry, more of a management, which would be greatly appreciated, that can help us manage our business well. We are looking for 2 riding instructors that can come in weekly to teach our boarders for our twice a month free lessons. So, and that would be all. I will include some pictures soon. There's also, the idea has been brought up 3 years ago, so we're currently working on it. It has been a dream of mine to manage my own business from home, so this will be the perfect idea to be put in place. That's all. Thank you so much.